In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a DNS leak test using Nordvpn. Ensuring your VPN is functioning correctly is crucial for maintaining your online privacy, and a DNS leak test is an essential step in that verification process. So, let's get started. First, head over to the Nordvpn app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can easily get the app by visiting the Nordvpn website and following the download instructions that match your device. Once you have the app open and ready to go, you're all set to begin our DNS leak test journey. Next, look for the settings menu within the app. Typically, you'll find this represented by an icon that resembles a gear or a cog somewhere on your screen. This is the control center of your Nordvpn app, where you can tweak various preferences according to your needs. Once you locate the settings option, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Moving along, it's time to connect to a VPN server. Within the app, you'll usually come across a wide range of server options available in different countries and regions. Selecting a server that's closer to your geographical location can often result in faster connection speeds. But for this test, any server connection will do. Simply click on your chosen server and connect. The status should swiftly change to indicate that you are now connected to the VPN. Once your VPN connection is established, the next critical step is to engage the kill switch feature. In the settings menu, the kill switch is typically labeled clearly. This feature is vital. It acts as a safety net by ensuring that in the event of an unexpected VPN disconnection, your internet access will be automatically cut off. This prevents your real IP address and data from being exposed. By activating the kill switch, you are fortifying your privacy against unexpected breaches. Now that you're fully connected and protected, it's time for the actual DNS leak test. There are many online services available that allow you to perform this test. Simply search for DNS leak test in your favorite search engine and select a trusted testing site. Once on the site, follow their guidance to check if there are any leaks in your setup. A clean result shows only the DNS servers of Nordvpn, guaranteeing that your real location and information are not being disclosed. And there you have it. You've now successfully performed a DNS leak test using Nordvpn, ensuring that your online browsing remains private and secure. By regularly conducting such tests, you are taking proactive steps in safeguarding your online identity. Thanks for watching. And make sure to check back for more tutorials like this one to keep your digital life safe and secure.